Hello, everyone. The year 2023 closed with a remarkable 110% increase in the Magnificent Seven basket, consisting of Amazon, Apple, Alphabet, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla, while benchmark indices saw gains of 24.2% for the S&P 500 and 43.4% for the Nasdaq. In terms of individual stock performance, Nvidia, a pioneer in the artificial intelligence trend, gained an impressive 238%, reaching a market capitalization of $1.2 trillion. Meanwhile, Meta Platform, reaping the rewards of metaverse investments, surged by 194%. Tesla, standing out as the most popular company among investors, marked a 101% gain in 2023. Yet its share value is priced 35% below the historical peak of 2021. In the cruise industry, which endured the most pressure during the COVID period, 2023 turned out to be positive. Royal Caribbean, ranking third in the S&P 500 index in terms of performance, achieved a 160% increase, reaching pre-COVID levels. However, Carnival, gaining 130%, still trades 63% below its pre-COVID share price. The first trading day of the year, influenced by developments in the Middle East, witnessed a 1.7% upward response in oil prices. In the Asia session, where Japanese markets were on holiday, there was a horizontal movement in American futures contracts. According to the CNN Fear and Greed Index, markets are currently at an extreme greed level, and this week, the American markets have a dense macro agenda. As we approach the FOMC meeting in March, where markets have priced an 80% probability of an interest rate cut, the focus is on the minutes of the December meeting. Thomas Barkin, the president of the Richmond Fed and a voting member in 2024, will deliver a speech tomorrow on the economic outlook theme. Mr. Barkin has previously expressed the view that the Fed has made significant progress in fighting inflation, but it is still too early to discuss interest rate cuts. On the first trading day of the new year, Tesla, the leader in the electric automotive market, will release its fourth-quarter vehicle delivery figures before the session. With an expected 476,000 vehicle deliveries in the last quarter, Tesla will, for the first time, lag behind its Chinese rival BYD, which delivered 526,000 vehicles in the same period. Before the opening of Thursday's session, Walgreens Boots Alliance, with the highest dividend yield among the 2024 dogs of Dow shares at 7.4%, will make the only significant earnings announcement of the week. The year-end earnings season in the markets will gain momentum next Friday, with the announcements of JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and Citigroup from the finance sector. From a technical perspective, the S&P 500 index, closing 2023 at overbought levels on the RSI, continues to highlight the historical resistance level at 4,815. In the event of possible profit-taking, the Bollinger Middle Band at 4,685 and then the Fibonacci levels at 4,550 should be closely monitored as significant support points. The Nasdaq index, heavily weighted in technology, also finds itself at overbought levels similar to the S&P 500. Pullbacks may find support at the Bollinger Middle Band at $14,700 and then at the 50-day moving average and Fibonacci levels at $14,000. My opinions are not intended as investment advice. Wishing everyone good luck and abundant profits in the first week of the new year.